What's up, guys? We are on second race of the evening, and I'm not gonna lie, I think that they're catching on to the camera because I saw a few of them pointing me out. So let's just hope they let me go through so I can get the second race for you guys.
Boss,
what's up?
I have the GoPro on just to let you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys want to take it off now? It's kind of connected, so
you just can't turn it on. That's it.
okay. Let me turn it off then.
Sorry about
No, you're good, bro. Let's see.
Yeah, you guys good.
Okay, so one of the workers just told me that I can't have it on, but I think I might be able to get away with it. Because it looks like they're letting me go, and this is our last race. Yo, see, I knew they were on us. I got you. Did you go find my paper? No, little sister. But I think we got through. Fortunately, he told me I can't have it on. I offered to take it off. I don't think he knows it's on. So we might be freaking good, broskies. Whoa. All right. Out the gate. Let's go. All right, boys. Oh, there we go. A little speed boost. Alright, this time we're doing first. I ain't doing this fucking... I ain't doing this third place. What the frick? Why are they slowing down? Well, I guess someone crashed. What the? Wait, what the? Yeah, what? Yeah. No, they're just trying to be shady. Shady as fuck. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, go right. Ooh, in the inside. What the? Whoa, bro. Hey, let's go, baby. At least we got through most of the traffic. Now let's see what we can really do. We're on number one. We're on number one. Let's go. We got to keep it though. That gave me a little boost at the wrong time. Come on, here we go. Let's go inside, inside, inside. Woo woo! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! This guy's gonna try to inside me right now? Absolutely not. Let's go. We on our way, boys. Inside, 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 inside. Inside. Here we go. Alright, they're gonna try to inside me. Nope. No big deal, no big deal, no big deal. Let's go, we're on the leaderboard. Nice. Let's go! We're number one out here. Pretty sure I got first place. And let's hope we got it on camera, because that's a big thing here, man. Now you're trying to get me to not record, but I was like, absolutely no way, bro. Absolutely no way. And hey, man, it's our second race. We only paid for 2, so if for some reason I did get caught up, so be it. We out this B.